Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and you are staying at home with your family very happily. Now, welcome to my class. Let's go to watch a video. Now, dear learners, can you guess what's your today's lesson? Your today's lesson is Unit 4, Lesson 7, The Homemaker Part 2. The previous class, I taught you the Homemaker Part 1. Today we are going to learn the Homemaker Part 2. Now, let's go to read the text. Read and try to find out why Najma and Joynul is quarreling. One day, Joynul looked for work in his village and in the next village, but his luck did not favor him. একদিন জয়নুল তার নিজের গ্রামে এবং পাশের গ্রামে কাজের জন্য বের হল, কিন্তু তার ভাগ্য সুপ্রসন্ন হল না। He was angry with everybody. সে রাগান্বিত হলো, সবার সাথে রেগে গেল। When he was back home, Najma failed to serve his meal. যখন সে বাড়ি ফিরে এলো, নাজমা তার খাবার পরিবেশনে ব্যর্থ হলো। That made him shout at Najma. এর ফলে সে নাজমার প্রতি চিৎকার করে উঠল, shout মানে। He made his voice loud. I had a severe headache and a fever, said Najma. নাজমা বলল, আমার প্রচন্ড মাথা ব্যথা এবং জ্বর ছিল। Severe headache মানে প্রচন্ড মাথা ব্যথা। Joynul was trembling with anger. কথা শুনে জয়নুল রাগে কাঁপতে লাগল। The cooking is almost done. Wash your hands and feet. রান্না অলরেডি ইতিমধ্যে প্রায় শেষ হয়ে আসছে, তুমি হাত পা ধুয়ে এসো। I'll bring the food soon, she said. সে বলল, আমি খুব শীঘ্রই খাবার নিয়ে আসছি। So it will take ages. এটা শুনে জয়নুল বলল, শীঘ্র? অনেক সময় লাগবে। জয়নুল shouted wildly. জয়নুল ভীষণভাবে চিৎকার করে উঠল। ওয়াইল্ডলি মানে পশুর মতো চিৎকার করে উঠল, অমানবিক ভাবে। What do you do the whole day at home? I work and earn money to run the family. সে চিৎকার করে বলল, তুমি সারাদিন বাড়িতে কি করো? আমি কাজ করি এবং পরিবারের জন্য অর্থ উপার্জন করি। You can't even cook my meals in time. তুমি আমার খাবারটাও সময় মতো রাখতে পারো না। I don't earn money, but I also run the family. আমি অর্থ উপার্জন করি না, কিন্তু আমিও পরিবার পরিচালনা করি। I do all the work at home. আমি পরিবারের সব কাজ করি। কুকিং, ক্লিনিং, ওয়াশিং, হাস্কিং হচ্ছে কোনো শস্যের যে তুষকুড়া সেগুলো ছাড়ানো। টেকিং কেয়ার অফ দ্য চিলড্রেন, এভরিথিং। আমি রান্না করি, পরিষ্কার পরিচ্ছন্নতা, ধোয়া মোছা, শস্যের ময়লা পরিষ্কার করা, সন্তানদের যত্ন নেওয়া, সব ধরনের কাজ আমি করে থাকি। said Najma. Najma, remember, মনে রেখো, you work for money, but my work in the home can make the family stick together and make it happy. মনে রেখো, তুমি অর্থের জন্য কাজ করো, আর বাড়িতে আমার কাজ পরিবারকে শক্ত বাঁধনে আবদ্ধ করে এবং সুখী করে রাখে। So both types of work are equally important. সুতরাং উভয় ধরনের কাজই সমান গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, কোনোটাই কম গুরুত্বপূর্ণ না। ইম্পর্টেন্ট মানে যেটা খুব গুরুত্ব দেয়। Never before has Jainul thought about these things. এর আগে জয়নুল কখনো এই বিষয়গুলো এভাবে ভেবে দেখেনি। He feels guilty. সে নিজেকে দোষী মনে করল। গিল্টিকে আমরা আরেক অর্থে ক্রিমিনালও বলতে পারি। Never before has he looked at Najma with so much admiration. এর আগে কখনো সে নাজমার দিকে এরকম শ্রদ্ধা ভরে তাকায়। Admiration মানে the feeling of admiring someone or something. And gratitude এবং কৃতজ্ঞতা। Thankfulness. Gratitude সিমিলার ওয়ার্ড বলতে পারি thankfulness, তার প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করে। এর আগে কখনো সে এরকম ভাবেনি। There are some vocabularies with meaning. Number 1, admiration, noun, the feeling of admiring someone or something. Next, angry, adjective, having a strong feeling against someone who has behaved well. Number 3, favor, verb, an attitude of approval or liking. Next number, guilty, adjective, culpable of or responsible for a specified wrongdoing. Then, husking, noun, the act of removing the dry outer covering of some seeds. Next, individual, adjective, a single or particular person or thing. Then, tremble, verb, to shake slightly, usually because you are cold, frightened, or very emotional. Last number, wildly, adverb, in an uncontrolled or wild manner. Dear learners, in order to manage the home efficiently, a good homemaker should have the following qualities. Number 1, intelligence, বুদ্ধিমত্তা. Number 2, enthusiasm, উদ্যম. A homemaker must be enthusiastic. Next, sympathetic and human, সহানুভূতিশীল, দয়ালু বা মানবিক হতে হবে। Number 4, imagination, কল্পনাপ্রবণ হতে হবে হোমমেকার। জাজমেন্ট, বিবেচনা বা মীমাংসা, অবশ্যই একজন মেকারের বিচার বিবেচনার বুদ্ধি থাকতে হবে। পারসেভারেন্স, অধ্যবসায়। নেক্সট নাম্বার, অ্যাডাপ্টেবিলিটি, উপযোগী করা বা খাপ খাওয়ানো। হোমমেকারকে অবশ্যই সবার সাথে খাপ খাইয়ে চলার অভ্যস্ত হতে হবে। লাস্ট নাম্বার, সেলফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট, স্বব্যবস্থাপনা। অবশ্যই একজন হোমমেকারকে পরিবারকে সুন্দরভাবে ব্যবস্থাপনার গুণাবলী থাকতে হবে। There are some multiple choice questions. Number 1, Jainul was angry with everybody because he was looking for work in his village and in the next village. He was hungry and Najma could not cook food at the proper time. He did not find any work in his village and in the next village. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Number 2, Jainul shouted loudly at Najma because he could not give him food in time. She had a bad headache. She forgot to cook food in time. The correct answer is A. She could not give him food in time. Number 3. It will take ages. The underlined word mean Najma is suffering from old age. A very long time will be needed. Janul is willing to wait long. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Number 4. Who should run the family? Janul, Najma, Janul and Najma. Number C is correct. Janul and Najma. What can make a family happy? Money and housework, work that Najma does at home, work that Janul does to earn money. Here the correct answer is A. Number 6. All members in a family should do their individual work separately, live together and support each other, earn and spend money equally. Here the correct answer is B. Question number 7. What do you think Joyn will do from now? Work harder to earn money, not waste any time doing housework, help Najma with her work when he can. The correct answer is C. Number D. Why does Joynul finally look at Najma with deep admiration and gratitude? He is not sorry for what he has done to Najma. He has understood the value of sharing work in the family. Najma is willing to do all the housework in the family. The correct answer is B. What is the role of a homemaker? A homemaker typically handles laundry responsibilities as well as everyday household tasks, such as doing the dishes, tidying up the house, and organizing family belongings. She also plans meals for her family, creates shopping lists, purchases groceries, and prepares meals. There are some pictures of homemaker responsibilities. A homemaker does different kinds of works: ironing clothes, cooking foods, sweeping furniture, washing dishes, arranging shelf, cleaning or mopping floors, washing clothes, and cleaning weeds, and also decorate the house. In this picture, we can see a homemaker is very hardworking. This picture says us or tells us that a homemaker does so many works. There are some questions to answers. Let's go to see the answer of the questions. Number 1. Where did Joynul work for work? Answer. One day Joynul looked for work in his village and in the next village. Question number 2. Why was Joynul angry? The answer is Joynul was angry with everybody because he did not find any work. Number 3. Why did Najma fail to serve her husband's meal? The answer is Najma failed to serve her husband's meal because of her severe headache and a fever. Question number 4. What does Joynul do to run the family? Joynul works and earns money to run the family. Question number 5, and this is the last question. What does Najma do for the family? Najma does all the work at home: cooking, cleaning, washing, husking, taking care of the children, and everything for the family. This is the answer of the question. Here is a assignment for you. This is a project work. Think of a family you know in your neighborhood. Answer the following questions and write a short compositions about the family. Number 1. How many members are there in the family? 2. Get each other members' name, age and work. Number 3. Do the family members share each other's work? Describe who shares what, where and who with. Dear learners, this is your today's lesson. No more today. Try to keep you home and safe you. Thank you to all.